another build day, another trip to Toowoomba, I think. It's day 18, by the way. I was on the website last night. I can't get the sink I want, I can't get the taps I want, I can't get the shower head I want, I can't get the shower screen doors I want in Dalby. Tom needs a new toolbox for the gas bottles to go into. Apparently, gas bottles can't be within 1.5 metres of an exhaust or a flash point of any description unless they're in an enclosed box. So back to Trade Tools to get another box for that today. 12 volt pressure pump we'll get while we're there today. We might look at a new TV while we're there today. I'm getting really sick of going to Toowoomba for everything, but thankfully it's only like 200 kilometre round trip, so not as bad as when we used to live on the farm. But I think that's the plan for this morning at least. Get going, get to Toowoomba. Okay, back from shopping in Toowoomba, and lucky my mum loves me because her outdoor area is now a building zone. Cracking on with back door frames and step treads at the moment, even though the wind's miserable and we'll all want to be inside in about an hour.
Why don't you be quiet? Everybody's building. It is cold. It is horrible weather, but we are outside building. And the Mimi dog just wants to play ball. Hey Mimi dog, you want to play ball? Bit of father-daughter building going on over here. Tom's got his ass crack covered today, must be cold. Frame's bigger than the hole that it's got to get through. Hey? Frame's bigger than the hole it's got to get through.
Couldn't be.
Shit, brother. This box of shit. I said go through that, throw it out you don't need.
Tail in and go up, don't we? Pardon? Put the tail in and go up, don't they? Put the bum in first. I just want to make sure it fits before
Today we are making storage boxes for the steps. Lift up, storage.
Because you never ever, no matter how hard you work with timber, you never ever get it square.
So we've yielded 5.6 kilowatts today.
Yeah.
They just make it pitch up just right.
Yeah.
Taper it off to nothing.
So we're currently, no, I don't know. Currently using 1 amp and our batteries 53.13 maybe, which is full. 60.2 volts or 46 watts coming in off the solar at the moment. I think. Stairs finally constructed. I got to paint and stain those tomorrow, and then retouch up all this where someone's been knocking the paint off,
That is supposed to be used, Kira.
and then clad across the front. And in the meantime, Tom's been doing a door frame.
When you get these appointments wrong.
Nick doesn't need to know that.
But we're coming to the end of the day. It's freezing cold and it's windy, so it is nearly knock off time, I reckon, by the time we clean up the site.